Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to remove highlights on your PDF. So let's get started. So now here we are in ilovepdf.com and this is where you want to go. And from here, all you have to do is go into PDF to Word. So we're going to convert our PDF into Word so that we would be able to remove the highlights. So right there, I'm just going to drag my file in here and with just one click in here. So I'm just going to fix that right here. So I'm just click here on Convert to Word there. And then from here, click on download Word. And all we have to do now, once it's downloaded, is open the file. Right here, as you can see, I have a lot of highlights here in my sample document. So from here, I'm just going to click on Enable Editing. And all I have to do is just highlight or select the highlighted text right there. And I'm just going to click here and go for no color. As you can see, it is now removed. If you would want all of them to be removed, all you have to do is select all of the text that has highlight, just like that, and click here on no color. And then as you can see, we don't have any highlights anymore. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.